What do you think of people that only have like traditional sex or vanilla sex, however you want to call it?
I think it's great if you like it. If you're okay with it, and if you are not like searching for more, good. Because a lot of people are okay with that, and they sometimes like to a bit switch something up, but they don't need like foreplay, like I don't know, with costumes and everything. It's not like we don't need that. So great, if you're not into that, you don't want it, okay. But if some of you feel like maybe we could try something, it's kind of getting boring, or I'm not like getting the pleasure I would want to, so then sure, please explore. There's a lot of information in like social media.
Do you think like all this sex exploration, all this sex exploration has an age, or do you see yourself doing this till you're 90?
Yeah, I think that's the thing. I just was listening to a podcast where also like sex coach was speaking about these things, and she says never say never about sexual things, because with the time your fantasies, your wants are changing. Your the thing that wasn't like your type of thing before is now your thing.
Okay.
And with time you are like changing, and it's good, it's really nice. And I think it's so interesting that you never know what after like 4 years you would like in sex and in relationships, and what kind of dynamic you want. So I think it's really exciting. It's something to look up for.
Okay. What do you think about people that, for example, they're like in a committed relationship, but something's a little bit boring, and one of the partners want to explore, and the other one is
not interested at all?
Yes.
Yeah, these types of situations are the hardest, because actually I haven't like myself tried to deal with those things, so I don't know how it would be, but it's really hard. And then you need to like think, is really that important to me, that thing so much that I would like be ready to end the relationship because of it? Or maybe there are some things that we can work on. I think the best option would be for those partners to like have some expert who can like guide them through this process, and like explore it more, because a lot of in relationship problem is that men want more sex than women, and women are like, oh, he asks sex so much, I'm so tired, like every time when we are speaking there's like initiating about sex, and when we will have it that he wants it more, and I'm so tired. And men are like, why am I not getting it? I'm so frustrated and everything. And it's a really big problem usually in relationships. And the thing is mostly that we all lack connection. For women, if we want sex, we need connection. We need the time together where we can feel that our minds, our body, our souls are connecting. So usually it's the best way how to get in that women wants more sex. That's the thing I have learned. And a lot of men, if they really want the sex more, they need to work on that. They need to work on like knowing her partner more, and making those connections more.
Okay.
That's the thing also with the sex. The men who wants more sex, they usually go into it really harsh, really like forward. Like they are grabbing her, they are like, let's go make sex, and she's like, I'm just making dinner, like what are you doing? Like it's so sudden for her. So that's why you need to make that connection before you are like getting her into that mood. So usually that is the problem in relationships, that women don't feel seen, don't feel like respected, don't feel like your partner is helping you in some like household things and everything, and that's why she is kind of not interested. It's too like she feels like she's getting used, really. That's the problem mostly. And I think the best option is really seek for expert help in those situations, because sex talk with your partner is really like harsh mostly, because if you say, I don't like you that much sometimes, you are not like anymore, I don't feel those sparks, I don't feel that I want you anymore, and it's really hard to hear that from your partner, or all the critique and, oh, you could do this for me because I saw it there and I really liked it, and it usually really like targets our ego, and we feel so like out of reach, out of control, and mostly these talks with your partner, it sometimes can damage more the relationship than
that don't help.
Yeah.
So you do feel that it's a deal breaker a lot of the times when they're unhappy sexually?
Mostly, yeah, because a lot of partners, when they see that there is some change in sexual dynamic and they're not getting what they want, they are like trying to find other like places where they can have it, and that's when happens affairs and everything like that. And also with women, a big thing is emotional cheating, I think, also, because in relationships you don't get that support from your partner. He wants only sex, he wants the things he can get, but he is not interested in your support. So they usually go out and have some like flirting with another guy, and they are like speaking about some things, and she feels like she can openly speak with him, more emotionally connect than she can with her partner. So that's mostly like the things that happen. So I think it's really important yet to like, if you see the problem, address it and try seek help, try seek some support. And when you have it, when you're going through it, you're like getting to know yourself. Is the situation really like a big deal or is it not? So then you can make the choice, the right choice. Should I stay or should I go?
Like the song.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a really good song. Yeah. But yeah, I think the best thing you can do is really not like get really upset and like think, oh, this is the end, I need to like break up with you, because most of things that we think we cannot resolve, we can resolve. Yeah, so I think you just need to seek the right help.